A journey. A journey.
Journey. Journey.
When you travel from one place to another.
It's a 2-hour train journey from York to London. I love going on long journeys. Did you have a good journey?
Water. Water.
Water. Water.
An area of water, such as the sea, a lake, or a swimming pool.
The water's much warmer today. Are you coming for a swim? Dad, I swam a whole length of the pool underwater.
Page. Page.
A part of a website that can be read on a computer screen.
I printed off a page about leg exercises.
Roundabout. Roundabout.
Roundabout. Roundabout.
A circular place where roads meet and where cars drive around until they arrive at the road that they want to turn into.
At the roundabout, take the second turning. Bookcase. Bookcase.
A piece of furniture with shelves for putting books on.
We need a new bookcase.
Slice. Slice.
Slice. Slice.
A flat piece of food that has been cut from a larger piece.
A slice of bread or cake. Cucumber or lemon slices. Would you like another slice of ham or beef?
Uncle. Uncle.
Uncle. Uncle.
The brother of your mother or father, or the husband of your aunt.
I've got an uncle who lives there. Did you bring me a present, Uncle Jack?
Old. Old.
Old. Old.
From a period in the past.
I saw my old English teacher last time I went home. He's bought me a smart new camera to replace my old one. She showed me her old school.
Someone who you have known and liked for a long time.
I met an old friend who I was at college with.
Cold. Cold.
Cold. Cold. Cold. Coldness. Cold.
A common illness which makes you sneeze and makes your nose produce liquid.
I've got a cold. Belong. Belong. Belongings. Belong.
If something belongs to you, you own it.
This book belongs to Sarah. You shouldn't take what doesn't belong to you. Pound. Pound.
The unit of money in the UK.
A £1 or £2 coin. There are 100 pence in a pound. They stole jewellery valued at £50,000.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Something that you say when you want to congratulate someone.
I passed my driving test yesterday. Congratulations. That's fantastic. Congratulations on your engagement. Left hand. Left hand.
On or to the left of something.
There's a sign on the left-hand side. Text message. Text message. Text.
A written message, usually containing words with letters left out, sent from one mobile phone to another.
He sent me a text message to say he would be late.
Prepare. Prepare.
Preparation. Prepare. Prepared.
To make or get something or someone ready for something that will happen in the future.
Have you prepared for your interview? This course aims to prepare students for middle and senior managerial positions. Are the players mentally and physically prepared to play a tough game?
To make food ready to be eaten.
Marco prepared lunch.